If you hear this, it's my chair. I'm sitting on the most noisiest IKEA chair ever, and I apologize for that, but today I'm going to be starting a brand new video series. I'm gonna be 30 before I even know it. So I just want to try as many new things as I can. And I'm gonna start off this series by trying out Soylent for breakfast. So if you haven't heard of Soylent, it is a meal replacement drink. Thank you, Instagram, for interrupting me. So it's a meal replacement drink. I first heard about it through BuzzFeed, and then it keeps popping up on my Facebook as an ad, because Facebook just likes to stalk everything that you watch on YouTube and everything you search. So it kept popping up for me. Even on my Instagram, it kept popping up. So I finally went to their website, started reading through it, and the one meal during the day that I really struggle to actually consume is breakfast. I'm usually, like today, I'm getting ready to go to work. I am already falling behind. I only have 15 minutes left to get ready before I have to head out the door. But most of the time, I just sprint out of my house and I start driving to work. So I completely skip breakfast, or once I do get to work, I go to Starbucks, get my coffee, get a bagel, or or a cheese Danish croissant, whatever I may find that day, and I end up making bad decisions from the get-go. So in order to avoid that, I'm going to consume half a bottle of Soylent for breakfast every single day for 2 weeks. So I was doing some research on Google, like pretty much everyone, and I was trying to find the magic number in order to like form a new habit. Well, a lot of people said it was 21 days, and then there's a lot of scientists arguing that it's more like 66 days, so over 2 months, and I'm not gonna do that. Because otherwise you would get one of these videos like every 2.5 months, which to me sounds ridiculous. So I'm gonna do this experiment for 2 weeks, and if I like it after the 2 weeks, then I can keep continuing this new habit. So today is March 27th. I'm gonna give myself until, no, that's way more than 2 weeks. I apologize. April 10th. That's gonna be 2 weeks after. So on April 10th, I will give you a rundown on how the 2 weeks went, and I'll let you know if I'm gonna keep doing Soylent for breakfast, or if, or if I'm screwed. So I'm now in my car. I'm doing okay with time, but I should be hitting the road very soon. So I just grabbed a bottle of Soylent. First impression, I didn't think it was gonna be this small. So I'm just gonna drink half. Each bottle has 400 calories, so I'm just gonna drink 200. Should I drink all of it? No, I think I should drink half. Well, I'll try half today, then we shall see. I'm gonna, do I shake it up? I kind of think it's like a regular like shake type of thing. All right, well, I shook it up. Let's try it out. It tastes like the leftover milk after you finish your cereal. But it's a really bland cereal, so I would say maybe like Rice Krispies without any sugar, or like Cheerios. It's not bad, but it's also not something that I would be like, can't wait to have my Soylent. No. 20 minutes have passed. I'm sitting in the parking garage right now, and you know what? I feel satisfied, but I could still fit something else, like a croissant, or I don't know, something else. And that's where my problem lies. I'm never satisfied with just feeling, satisfied in my stomach. I get satisfied when I'm full and I can no longer eat, which is a problem. Because other than that, I really don't eat all that bad. I don't eat fast food all that often. I don't eat, you know, like chips and stuff all that often. So it's just overeating. It's technically day 4, but day 3 with Soylent. Yesterday I had lunch or like a late breakfast with a group of my friends, and I ate this very delicious egg sandwich. It was amazing. I don't regret it. So I didn't drink Soylent because that was basically going to be a meal in itself. You know what? I still did pretty good despite the fact that I don't know how many calories that sandwich had. I didn't have any sides. I didn't drink anything like milk or soda or anything else that would add on more calories to that meal. So I kept it just very simple, just a sandwich and a bottle of water, which was good. Day 3. It's technically 4. Sorry, I look so weird right now. So this is it's Wednesday. So pretty much a week after I started drinking Soylent. Still drinking Soylent for breakfast. Good morning. So I'm here at work early in the morning. So today would have been typically the day that I would completely forget about breakfast. And I would just go to Starbucks, get a bagel with cream cheese or a sandwich, or, you know, just start off the day completely on the wrong foot. But today, you know, I just grabbed a bottle of Soylent and took it with me. So at least I'm drinking the same amount of calories, same thing as I've been drinking for the past few days. So this has definitely made it a lot easier. So the 2 weeks have almost gone by, and I honestly can't believe it. So these are all the bottles that are left. So I still have, you know, I still have breakfast for the next 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 days, which is pretty crazy. I'm gonna place my next Soylent order probably tomorrow. I have pretty much been getting hungry at the same time that I would if I would have eaten, you know, eggs or cereal or a bagel. So, you know what? This is actually quite filling, although I'm drinking just half for breakfast. Yeah, it hasn't made me any more hungry. It's the last day of drinking Soylent for 2 weeks, so I thought I would celebrate with really bright makeup and a really bright sweatshirt. No, I'm actually just done filming a tutorial for spring, a really bright tutorial, obviously. I actually placed my order for my next box a few hours ago, so I've been absolutely loving it. It just made my life a lot simpler. So I removed the makeup so I can wrap up my first 2-week trial video. I still don't even know what I'm going to title this series, but by the time you watch this, I would have figured it all out. So here are my closing thoughts about Soylent. I actually really enjoyed drinking Soylent for breakfast. I just don't have the time to be making breakfast every single day, making a smoothie, eggs, whatever. And I'm also quite lazy. I'm extremely lazy in the morning, so this just fits in with my lifestyle. I can just grab a bottle as I head to work. I can grab a bottle while I'm watching YouTube videos in the morning. I really don't have to think about preparing anything. It's literally just opening up a bottle and just then consuming it. I also do like the fact that I have not skipped breakfast since introducing Soylent into my routine. Even on that one day that I did cheat and I had that delicious breakfast sandwich, you know, I still ate something for breakfast. I only ended up cheating once through this 2-week trial, so I thought that wasn't all that bad. because I was very consistent with this. I wasn't even drinking coffee in the morning. Maybe I would get a coffee in the afternoon, like close to lunchtime, but not in the morning. But I did just order a whole other case of Soylent, and the new case will be the vanilla coffee one. So hopefully that one will just, you know, still fill me up in the morning, but add just a little bit of caffeine so I can like get through the day a little bit better. I did the math and each breakfast was less than $1.50, so you know what? If you're quite lazy during the morning, I think Soylent is a great option for you. I also did find myself making better eating decisions throughout the day because I started out each and every single day with breakfast. I would eat a lot less throughout the day, would not snack as much throughout the day. I didn't eat any fast food throughout the 2 weeks, and all of those decisions plus working out have attributed to me starting to lose weight. But my whole goal with this 2-week trial was not to lose weight with Soylent, but to have breakfast each and every single day and replacing it with Soylent. So I accomplished what I wanted to do, and like I said, I will be drinking Soylent for breakfast. Again, I'm gonna continue that. So I got my Soylent order. It took literally 2 days for it to arrive, so the shipping is super quick. And this is the chai, no, not the chai, the vanilla one. So let me open it up. So this is the cafe vanilla flavor. Has a pretty good flavor. It has, actually reminds me of the Starbucks little bottled frappuccinos. Maybe not as sugary as those, but it has a pretty similar like aftertaste. So I think I'll be just fine with this flavor for the next couple weeks. Yeah, that's it for this video. That's it for the introduction to this series. If you have any other ideas for this series, please let me know in the comments below. It can be 2 weeks of meditation, 2 weeks of journaling, 2 weeks of whatever it may be, learning a new language. I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. If you want to try out Soylent, there is a link that I will leave down below in the information box. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not sponsored by Soylent. I just went on the website and I ordered my 12 pack, and that code anyone with a Soylent account can generate. You can email it to your friends or tweet it or whatever. So I'm gonna leave it down below for you guys if any of you are interested in trying out Soylent. If you like chocolate, then I would recommend the chocolate, although I haven't tried it. I'm not a chocolatey girl, so I just had the original to drink for the last 2 weeks. I'm gonna wrap this thing up. Thank you guys so much once again for watching today's video. Subscribe if you're brand new so you can watch more of this series and my other videos, vlogs, all of that. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!